Welcome to Petro Projik, specialists in welding, inspection, and engineering training. Today, we will explain one of the most widely used welding processes, shielded metal arc welding, known as SMAW or stick welding. SMAW is a manual arc welding process that uses a consumable flux-coated electrode. An electric arc is generated between the electrode and the base metal, melting both to form the weld joint. The flux coating plays a critical role. It produces shielding gas and slag, which protect the molten weld pool from atmospheric contamination during solidification. SMAW is known for its simplicity, versatility, and portability. It can be used in all welding positions and is suitable for outdoor and field welding applications. This process is widely used in pipelines, structural steel, pressure vessels, maintenance, and repair work, especially in oil and gas industries. However, SMAW also has some limitations. It has a lower deposition rate compared to other processes and requires skilled welders to control arc length and weld quality. Understanding SMAW fundamentals is essential for producing strong, reliable, and code-compliant welds. At Petro Projik, we provide professional SMAW training courses led by international expert instructors, combining theory with hands-on practical training. Join Petro Projik and build your welding skills the right way.